ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, kids. Welcome to today's English lesson. We are going to learn about a very special kind of word called an adjective. Are you ready? Let's start. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. Remember, a noun is a person, place, animal, or thing. Adjectives are like little helpers. They describe how something looks, feels, tastes, sounds, or even how many there are. Let's look at some examples. Adjectives that tell us color. This is an apple. But if I say red apple, the word red is an adjective. It tells us the color of the apple. Adjectives that tell us size. Here is a ball. If I say big ball, the word big is an adjective. It tells us the size of the ball. Adjectives that tell us shape. Look at this cookie. If I say round cookie, the word round is an adjective. It tells us the shape. Adjectives that tell us how something feels. Here's a teddy bear. If I say soft teddy bear, the word soft is an adjective. It tells us how it feels. Adjectives that tell us how something tastes. Imagine eating chocolate. If I say sweet chocolate, the word sweet is an adjective. It tells us the taste. Six, adjectives that tell us number or amount. Look at these pencils. If I say 3 pencils, the word 3 is an adjective. It tells us how many pencils there are. Practice time. Now let's practice together. I'll say a noun, and you try to add an adjective. Dog. Brown dog. Happy dog. Ice cream. Cold ice cream. Tasty ice cream. Flower. Beautiful flower. Pink flower. Car. Fast car. Red car. Book. Interesting book. Thick book. Great job, everyone! You really understand adjectives. Today we learned that adjectives are words that describe nouns. They tell us what something looks like, feels like, tastes like, sounds like, or how many there are. Without adjectives, our sentences would be plain and boring. But with adjectives, our sentences become colorful and exciting. So don't forget, adjectives make our words shine. See you next time, kids.